Let's go. ID. LA. Come on. Yo, you heard it correctly. Your homie go heavy, throw pennies out of cop car, out of old Chevy. So many no friendly, poor like snow, like doors, like bamboo, and I still don't know why. Oh well, I never gave a fraction of a fuck. They been trying to kill me since before I growed up. Hold up, so what? Let me slow myself up before I untuck my shirt and unlace my chucks. We thump where I come from. Ladies throw hands and break glass bottles on the heads of their boyfriends. So I left, got a girlfriend straight from out the scope, but later on found out she might hurt my ass too. But yo, I can't front like she ain't holding band steady. But yo, I know if I slip I catch one in the belly, and then ID and DJ Fatty might have to get me out of 20 stitch. Stay in Frisco emergency, but hey, ID man, I don't know what you was thinking when you made this, but I'm glad you was. Hey, you heard it correctly. Buck Taylor go heavy, 3,000 dead soldiers, one broken half levy. I'm a tarantula on a police cruiser. Put your wallet in the sky, let the police shoot you. Pushing to my third decade, but nah, don't worry. Mi negocio en el músico es puro bien. Ese mi cuete, ready for an alphabet. Boys ready to come get me. Say that I'm a threat to homeland security. I'm pretty ugly, but damn, can I rap it? I don't need nice diamonds to get girls to clap. I don't need a big gun to make rappers collapse, but I got a big gun if you prefer it like that.